the intuitive aspects. The moon and Venus also can govern dreams as well. Like Jupiter can also govern dreams. But the moon is the first feminine energy outside of the earth. All right? So the moon literally can also rule dreams because it does govern Cancer, which is another water sign. And notice, this is why we said in the beginning of the video, all of the water signs should be feeling lit right now. But when we have the full moon in Pisces, that deals with the intuition, and Virgo deals with processing, this is the perfect middle way between reality and the imagination. Now look, make sure y'all pick up a copy of Astrostetics because we're going to read what Astrostetics says about Pisces. This is on page 147, and look, y'all know this book is 500 pages, right? 500 pages. Make sure y'all pick it up right now. Pisces governs quantum physics, the quantum field, psychic sensitivity, the soul, the 12th house, dreamers, intuition, imagination, sensitivity, sympathy, the unseen, escapism. So Pisces, Virgo also can have aspects of these qualities. Virgo is also known as the hermit in other schools of thought, whereas Pisces is all about understanding reality. Listen, during any Pisces transit, if you're not running from the issue, Pisces season is one of the best times to gain an understanding of what's going on. There's a very practical side of Pisces because look, if you want to say that there are two fishes going in opposite direction, one of the fishes could be going in a fantasy-oriented direction. When you're not escaping fantasy, you're coming middle ground with reality. So when people try to make it seem like Pisces are always have their head in the mist, they're always on some mysterious. Well, a lot of the Pisces I know like to get straight to the point. They like to be very direct. They are very straightforward with their reason. Like, look, don't get me wrong. I know some Pisces out there that be wilding. Pisces is the last sign for a reason. And look, my birthday is dang near the last day of Pisces season. Like, you know how much people I'll be like, you not ready yet. Come on, are you serious? But that's because Pisces is the sign of psychic sensitivity. A lot of the things that I see Pisces might pick up on, people sometimes aren't really aware of what Pisces could be on. So this is where you get the isolation mechanism. This is where you get the reservationist. But look, Virgo are also like that as well. Virgos can have escapist tendencies. They can be withdrawn. That's why in other schools of thought, they might also call Virgo the hermit, because Virgos can be enclosed as well. So all signs, as we know, all signs have all signs in them. There is a side of even Aquarius that's like Pisces. There's a side of Leo that's like Pisces. But in the case of Virgo, with Pisces being on the opposite end, this is the spirituality factor that deals with other people. And this is when Virgos and their perspective and their perception on things, they can be very private oriented in that department. Whereas Pisces, they can develop a feeling towards others and they might reserve that. All of the water signs are private, but Pisces is the sign of invisibility and quantum physics. So when you're dealing with Pisces or even with the full moon in Pisces, this can highlight transcendental emotions. Make sure y'all go on to easycomplex.com, amazon.com, barnesnobles.com. Check out the description of this video and pick up a copy of the 500-page sensation, Astrostetics, Aesthetics of Astrology. Thank you. Because that's also what Pisces can deal with. It can deal with